Natural and home remedies for asthma. Asthma is a chronic inflammatory disease that affects the air passages that carry air from the nasal area and mouth to lungs and vice versa. When a person suffers from asthma, he or she finds it difficult to breathe in outside air and thus feels suffocated and congested. It can occur in people of all age groups, from a 2-year-old kid to a 50-year-old man. Since airways become swollen during asthma, muscles around them get tightened, which causes less air to flow to lungs. Asthma is another disease that does not have a permanent cure, although symptoms and adversity can be suppressed with treatments and procedures, but it can flare up at any point and any day. Symptoms: difficulty in breathing, a wheezing or whistling sound while breathing, coughing, congested chest, feeling tired while doing any physical activity, frequent cold and cough, uneasiness in sleeping. Causes: allergies, smoke and tobacco, environmental factors, like air pollution, obesity, stress, tension, and depression, genetics, lung infection during childhood, premature birth, certain foods, like fish, soy, eggs, peanuts, etc. Exercise, heartburn. Home remedies for asthma. Clove: take 5-6 cloves and boil them in half a glass of water, followed by adding a spoon of honey. It is an excellent remedy in curing asthma at home and should be consumed twice in a day for beneficial results. Ginger. Ginger has so many benefits on your health and body. It is equally effective against asthmatic treatments. Make a juice with equal quantities of ginger, pomegranate, and honey. Consume it 2-3 times a day for effective results. Else, take 1 tbsp of ginger juice. Mix it up with a tbsp of honey and 2 tbsp of dried fenugreek seeds. Soak it overnight and consume it every morning to detoxify your lungs. Mustard oil: take some mustard oil and mix camphor in it. Massage with it all over the chest, till you get relief from the asthma. Make sure that you warm the oil before massaging with it so that your chest feels the warmth and gets relieved quickly. Figs. Figs are another efficacious home remedy against asthma. Soak some dried figs in water, overnight. Eat them in the morning on an empty stomach. Also, drink the fig water for having an effective relief from the problem of asthma. Black tea/coffee. Caffeine present in coffee helps asthma. Besides, it clears your air passage and makes way for air to enter and exit easily through those passages. If you are not a coffee person, you can opt for black tea. But, make sure that you consume not more than 3 cups in a day. Eucalyptus oil. Eucalyptus essential oil can really lend a hand in keeping the asthma at bay and relieving from the existing one. Put a few drops of eucalyptus essential oil in a cup of boiling water and take it steam, as it will help in opening up the nasal passages and air passages, so that air can pass through easily. Honey. If you are looking for natural remedies for asthma, honey is the best one. You can consume a teaspoon of honey mixed in hot water at least 2-3 times a day, or you can also inhale the aroma of honey. Alternatively, mix 1 teaspoon of honey with half teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Have it before sleeping. Onions. Onions are known to have anti-inflammatory properties, and they are proved to be helpful in clearing air passages. So, if you are suffering from asthma, you should consume more and more of onions, be it in raw form in a salad or cooked in vegetables. Fruits and lemons. Fruits, like strawberries, blueberries, papaya, and oranges have shown benefits to people suffering from asthma. Also, lemons are rich in vitamin C and should be consumed with water and sugar at least once in a day to get cure from the disease. Fishes. Consuming fishes, such as salmon, tuna, and sardines can be really effective in treating the problem of asthma. They all make your lungs better and stronger to fight the problem of asthma and treat it quickly and effectively. However, if you cannot consume these fishes in cooked form, then you can opt for their oils. Gooseberries. Amla, gooseberries are good for asthma. Crush a few gooseberries and add some honey to them. Consume the mixture and stay away from the problem. Soup, take a radish and blend it to obtain a juice from it. Mix it with some honey and lemon juice. Consume it as it will help in clearing up your respiratory tract, which will make it easier for you to breathe. Bitter gourd, take out the juice of bitter gourd. Add paste of basil and honey to it. Mix them well. This remedy will help in curing asthmatic attacks. Herbal tea with a dash of lime juice and crushed ginger can also serve the purpose. Herbal tea, prepared from licorice root, is also an effective treatment for asthma. Fennel seeds, consume fennel seeds on a regular basis to get rid of asthmatic attacks. Warm milk, add equal quantity of olive oil and honey to a glass of warm milk. Drink this milk along with a few garlic cloves, before having breakfast. This home remedy provides natural asthma relief. Parsley leaf is a good herbal remedy for asthma cough. Prepare tea from these leaves. It will soothe the throat and chest congestion. Homeopathic remedies for asthma attack. Arsenicum album, a person who feels really worn out and restless, needs this medication. He/she feel difficulty in breathing, especially while lying down. The problem might be accompanied by frothy white fluid during coughing. Carbo-vegetables, when a person feels extremely weak or has a feeling of getting fainted, this medication is used. Other symptoms may include burping, frequent passing of gas, and digestive upsets. Chamomile, when a person becomes overexcited or very angry, experiences dry cough with irritation, this medication is helpful. The person also becomes hypersensitive along with the above symptoms. Ipecacuanha, when coughing eventually leads to vomiting, this homeopathic medication is suggested. Other symptoms include accumulation of mucus in the air passages and difficulty in coughing out. Natrum sulfuricum, when a person feels so weak that he or she holds her chest while coughing, this medication is recommended. Conditions become worse in the early morning, and the person finds it difficult to breathe while getting up from bed. Other useful homeopathic medications include Nux vomica, Pulsata, and Spogia tosta.